Hey guys, Jared here. Thought today that I would make this video and talk about my film cameras. I've got a collection of film cameras that I got from my grandparents maybe a year and a half ago, and that is also when I first started shooting film. Really enjoy it, super fun to shoot, so I thought I'd make a video about it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, first I'm going to start with my Pentax K1000. This was my dad's film camera, and also it was the very first film camera I ever picked up and used. It's really reliable. I really like the size of it. I think it's great. Here's the inside of it. It's a regular 35mm film camera, and I think if you're just starting out, this would be a really great option. Alright. Next is my Pentax LX. This was my grandmother's camera that she gifted to me, and it is my go-to camera when I'm going to be shooting. This is my absolute favorite. I really like the lock that the shutter has. So this is locked, cannot press it, and this is unlocked. It also has on the back a little slot where you can put you can tear off from the box the see what ISO you're shooting, see what film you're shooting, and on the inside the take-up spool is all the way around, as opposed to on the inside of the K1000 it is a single spot right here. Also with the LX, if you flip this little switch right here, the top viewfinder slips off and reveals a top-down viewfinder that you can look through. This does have different heads that can go on it. I have the regular one and the magnifier type one that you can look down. I'm not really a fan of that one, but I do just really like this regular one. So yeah, that's the Pentax LX. Alright guys, next is my Nikon N8008S autofocus. Now this camera is different than the other two, whereas you put the film in and it auto winds it for you. I haven't used this one yet. I'm not sure when I plan to use it, but I just think it's really neat. This was gifted to me and I really like it. I really like the build quality of it. It's just really nice. So yeah, Nikon N8008S. Alright, last is my Nikon F4. It is absolutely massive. It's got the battery pack on the bottom, which also makes it massive. This one is also autofocus, and you can also take the top viewfinder off. I'm not sure how, but I do know you can. This one is also different, whereas to open the back, you have to flip this little switch right here to the right and pull up on the rewind tab. yeah, this is the inside of the Nikon F4. I haven't used this one yet either, but I do plan to use it when I am going to be taking some astrophotography on 35. So yeah, this was also gifted to me. It's easily one of my favorites just because of how big and sturdy it is, but it's not as compact as the other three. So this is my main Pentax LX, and this would probably be my backup film camera. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to, leave a like, drop a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see when I next upload. Alright guys, that'll be it. Goodbye.